We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And even if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this corrective move, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. Anyway, this is what we get. No one see what's the next, and we didn't have any good opportunity for buy. And if you move to daily chart, as we can see, based on daily chart, the price dropped quite a lot, and we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the reversal. And if we get, but what we're looking for buy, and the targets we can look for as a long term is 22 following by 27. But as we can see, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade for buy and even for sell. But as we mentioned, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. That's mean if you want to look for trade, we prefer the best things is if we trade, we look for buy based on lower time frame. And if you move to forward chart, and even based on forward chart, we have been looking for the reversal because we mentioned we want to see one move up. All right. The price reverse was well, but the way it was reversing was very corrective. And for me, as I mentioned, we are looking for buy, but I prefer this one give me a drop and we see the breakout of this correction following by divergence before we look for the next trade. If we want to look for buy, because at first we have been looking for buy within this one, then we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break this correction continuation. That's mean we want to beat the breakout of the previous top. If we mentioned if the price could break, then from there we can look for continuation. If not, from there we can look for sell. That's what we expected the price reverse, but the way was reversing is very corrective. That's why right now, if we get one more drop, we see the breakout of this correction. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy. This is the best option we can look for. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. Any trade for buy within this one will be short term, but if you want to look for the long term, you want to see the breakout of this correction. And the best things if the best things is if we get one more drop. Anyway, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. And if you move to 1 hour chart, whenever you see this kind of the drop as a sharp move, if it followed by a flag, we can look for the next drop. This is how we can look for sell, but we have to wait. All right, because at this point we don't have any trade for sell. Even if you want to look for buy, if the price reverses from here, the best thing is if you see the reversal as a sharp move flag. All right, but this is how we can what we can expect. All right, because since even just I want to give an example, if the price drop, then we see the reversal. If the price is going to reverse from here, we have to look for flag, we take the trade. If this is the start of the down move, we have to wait for the flag before we look for sell. But at this point, we are not really interested to look for sell. But even if you want to look for buy, we consider within this one as a short term. But we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. We have to wait. But as I explained based on forward chart, for me, if I want to look for the reversal, as what I explained based on daily chart, I want to see the breakout of this correction. And the best thing is if we see one more drop, we see the breakout of this correction, then any reversal from there, we will take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.